Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Nubian by Juvia's. I'll put a link for that giveaway in the description box down below. I also have many other giveaways going on. I'm trying to do a giveaway from each box that I unbox, so we will have a giveaway in this video as well. So I'll let you know a little bit what you need to do to enter this giveaway. Number one rules, you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check, and you must watch this video in its entirety. I'm trying to get those watch time minutes up so I can get this monetized and give back more to you guys, because that's what I love doing. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways. So today we are unboxing the premium box for Boxycharm. This is the May box. I do have a discount code for you guys if you guys would like to check Boxycharm out. It helps you out a little bit and helps me out with some extra points as well. So this box is, the premium is $35, and you get 6 full-size products for that price. They also have their base box, which is $25. I did get my base box. I'll have that video up in the next couple days. And then every 3 months they do a luxe box, which is $50. And June will be the next luxe box that comes out. So this is the premium one, so let's find out what's in here. So I did get version number 45, and it just says Boxycharm Mother Nature on this side. You guys, they put Kevin Aucoin in here. I don't know if I've ever seen Kevin Aucoin in a Boxycharm before. So this is the Expert Mascara, and Expert Mascara has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes to their fullest, and while being soft to the touch even after multiple applications. It's formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. So this retails for $29. It is in the shade black. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. So I'm not going to open mascaras. So mascaras, once they're open, you need to toss after 3 months, or else you're at the risk of getting an eye infection. So, and I've already got a couple mascaras that I have opened. So, and in fact, I got a mascara review series where I try on different mascaras, let you know what I think of them. And so I'll definitely be putting this one in one of those reviews. By Too Faced Cosmetics is the Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. I have mine in the shade Luminous. This best-selling Chocolate Soleil bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long-wearing golden glow. With this cocoa powder infused bronzer, create the real shimmering gold that smells like a chocolate dream. This does retail for $30. Here's what the packaging looks like. A little compact mirror on this side. It smells like milk chocolate, you guys. I don't know what they put in their ingredients to make everything always smell like chocolate, but it does. I normally don't do a gold shimmer, so I think I'm gonna save this for one of my upcoming big giveaways for you guys. From Milk Makeup is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. It's a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint from a lit from within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good glow. Wear on the cheek as a glowy blush or lips as a porcelain stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits in your bag, pocket. Tiny apartment retails for $15. I do have mine in the shade Astro. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. Look how pretty that is. I love berry tones, so I'm super excited about this one. And I love a good lip oil in the summer, so I'm excited to put this one to some really good use. From BATTINGTON, we had their lashes in last month's box. This is the powder and contour brush set. This high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. Retails for $90 for 2 brushes. What? Don't think I've ever seen brushes that expensive before. I mean, the handles feel a little lightweight. So we do have, you know, your 2 brushes. It's kind of a dome foot, and this one's pretty flat across. For $90, I don't know if I would be seeing these little kind of, some of these are longer than others. Don't quite know. So to be used, so the powder brush is to be used loose and pressed powders, perfect for application of a bronzer, blush, and finishing powder. The contour foundation brush, which is going to be this one here, is evenly distributed product and foundation into the skin, great for contouring and blending. Care instructions: wash bristles gently with a brush cleaner or mild soap and water. Rinse well and lightly squeeze. Remove excess water. Lay flat to dry. They are cruelty-free and 100% tack-on bristles. From Tarte is the Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. You'll have the real MVP, most valuable pout. With this hydrating butter lip balm, and your lips will look as good as perfectly curated IG feed. Retails for $12. Tarte is cruelty-free. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how cute. I have mine in the shade Peony. Look how cute this is. And I love a good balm. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have lipstick on. This is so, so darling. Cute. I'm a sucker for good packaging. And finally, by KVD Vegan Beauty is the Inkwell Liquid Liner. Meet KVD's Vegan Beauty most bulletproof eyeliner yet. Inkwell Liner, super innovative formula, sets the bar even higher with extreme long wear and waterproof, transfer-proof, smudge-proof performance. All in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades for one swipe matte capacity with no layering needed. This formula of the future features weightless flex technology to lock in quick drying color that moves with your skin for a finish that doesn't fade or crack. Retails for $20. I have mine in this shade Inkwell Darkwave. Kind of reminds me of the eyeliner that I have going on right now, except for mine is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On. But this cute. I don't really do colorful liners that much, and since I already have a blue that's really similar to this, I think I'm going to save this one for one of those giveaways as well. So a total of this box is $196. Not bad if you're going to use a bunch of these products. I know that I will use this one and probably these. So I know I definitely got my money's worth. You know, I think they're good brushes. I just don't know if they're really worth $90. But this is what we're going to be giving away in today's giveaway. What they say, it's a giveaway worth $90. So what you need to do to enter this one for these brushes is, like I said before, you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check. You also must watch this video in its entirety and like this video. I do all my giveaways using a Google form. I'll put that link in the description box down below for you. It'll take you to a Google form. I'm the only one that has access to it. Fill it out. That way you're not waiting for me to respond back to you and you to me and yada yada. I cut all of that out. And make sure to put your YouTube name at the bottom of it, so that way I can check to make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that your subscriptions are public, so that way I can check as well. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I've purchased this box all on my own to give back to you because I love, love, love giving back to you. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I will highly take that title. You know, this giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees. If anything breaks in shipment, anything like that, I try to package everything up really well. Let's have this giveaway go through June 9th. On June 10th, I will go ahead and pick the winner. So it's going to go through June 9th Mountain Time. There are 2 bonus entries that you can do to enter. One, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video that will, on your social media, that will give you an extra bonus entry as well. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Please stay safe. Let me know how you guys are doing. And I will see you soon, guys. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.